Hello students, today we are going to start syllabus of term 2 of class 5. So let's start first lesson of term 2, lesson number 7, fraction. In this lesson we learn about the fraction. So first of all we discuss about what is mean by fraction. When something, a whole, is divided into the equal part, each part is called fraction of the whole. Okay, when we divide something in a equal parts, then one of the each part represent the fraction for this whole number. Here circle is divided into the 3 equal part. So this one part represent the fraction 1 by 3. So 1 for the individual part and 3 for the total number of equal part. For this figure, we write the fraction 2 by 3. So 2 for the 2 color part and 3 for the all the parts. So 3 are the all parts and 2 are the colored part. Here 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. The number at the top is called as the numerator and number at the bottom is called as the denominator. If we talking about 3 part out of the 7 equal part, it means that अगर हमारे पास 3 part है out of 7 part, we have to represent the 3 part out of the 7 equal part, then we write it as the fraction. So for that 3 part we write the fraction 3 by 7. So here the number on the top is called as the numerator and the number at the bottom is called as the denominator. So 3 is the number at the top, so it is called as the numerator, and 7 is the number at the bottom, so it is called denominator here. So this is the fraction. Our next part is the like fraction and unlike fraction. The fraction with the same denominator are like fraction. ऐसे fraction जिनमें denominator same होता है उसे हम like fraction कहते हैं. So examples are 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. Those are the like fraction. And the fraction with the different denominator are unlike fraction. For example, 4 by 5, 3 by 4, 7 by 11 and 12 by 19 are the unlike fraction. So the fraction with the same denominator are like fraction and fraction with the different denominator are unlike fraction. So those are the like fraction and unlike fractions. Next, proper fraction and improper fraction. So fractions such as 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 5 by 9 are proper fraction. In proper fraction, numerator is always less than denominator. Those kind of the fraction are called as the proper fraction. So here in 1 by 2, numerator 1 is less than denominator 2. So that's why this is the proper fraction. Fractions such as 2 by 2, 5 by 2 and 7 by 3 are called as the improper fraction. In improper fraction, numerator is greater than or equal to denominator. So in proper fraction, numerator less than denominator, and in improper fraction, numerator is greater than or equal to denominator. So those are the other two types of the fraction, that is the proper fraction and improper fraction. In proper fraction, numerator is less than denominator, and in improper fraction, numerator is greater than or equal to denominator. Our next part is the mixed fraction. This is also the type of the fraction. A fraction made up of the whole number and the proper fraction is called as the mixed fraction or a mixed number. Mixed fraction में whole number भी होता है and proper fraction भी होता है. So this 2 integral 1 by 2 is the mixed fraction. Here 2 is the whole number and 1/2 is the fraction. So this is the mixed fraction. 2 integral 1/2 is equal to whole number 2 and proper fraction 1/2. In mixed fraction, whole number part is called as the integral part. Whole number part को integral part बोला जाता है and the fraction is called as the fractional part. और जो fraction होता है उसे fractional part बोला जाता है. So the mixed fraction is divided into the two part. That is the whole number part, that is called integral part, and the fraction which is called as the fractional part. So this is the mixed fraction. 7 integral 2/5. Here 7 is the integral part and 2/5 is the fractional part. So this is called as the mixed fraction or a mixed number. Next is the equivalent fraction. The fraction that represent the same portion of the whole are called as the equivalent fraction. Means ऐसे fraction जो सेम फ्रैक्शन शो करते हैं, दैट्स कॉल्ड द इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. हियर आर सम फ्रैक्शंस 1/2, 2/4, 3/6 and 4/8. When we simplify this fraction 1/2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So all the fraction shows the same fraction 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. So this kind of the fractions are called as the equivalent fraction. If we multiply or divide the numerator and denominator of the fraction by the same number or other than 0, we get an equivalent fraction. If we want to find the equivalent fraction, we multiply or divide the numerator and denominator of that fraction by the same number. After that, we will get the equivalent fraction of that fraction. Next is the how to arrange the fractions in ascending order and descending order. For equal bottom fraction, greater top and greater fraction. It means that if the bottom means denominator are same, if the denominator of the fractions are same, then we see the numerator. Greater numerator represent the greater fraction. And for the equal top fraction, अगर top के fraction equal है, so greater bottom smaller fraction. So अगर न्यूमरेटर सेम है, न्यूमरेटर इक्वल है, सो डिनोमिनेटर जो लार्जर डिनोमिनेटर होगा वो स्मॉलर फ्रैक्शन होगा. लुक एट दिस, अरेंज इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. 7/21, 7/12, 7/17, 7/32, 7/15. Here the top, both all fractions have the equal top, means numerator equal है. So when the numerator is equal, greater bottom is smaller fraction. So जो भी greater bottom होगा, मतलब denominator जो greater होगा वो सबसे smaller होगा. So we have to arrange in descending order, means सबसे first तो हमको smaller लिखना होगा. So यहाँ पे जो भी smaller है, 12 is the smaller denominator, so that fraction is greater fraction. So in descending order, 7/12 is the first fraction. Then 15, 7/15, then 7/17, 7/21 and 7/32. In this way we arrange the number having the equal, the fraction having the equal bottom arranged in the descending order. Here arrange the following in ascending order. Here we have to arrange these fractions in ascending order, but in this question all the bottom equal, means denominator सारे equal है. So we observe the numerator, the greater numerator, greater the fraction. जो numerator greater रहेगा वो fraction भी greater रहेगा. So यहाँ पे एक जो है वो mixed fraction दिया है. So first we convert this mixed fraction into the proper fraction. Sorry, improper fraction. So 1 by 11 is equal to 1 into 11 plus 1 divided by 11 is equal to 12 by 11. So ये हो गया 12 by 11. So here 5, 6, 7, 10, 12. We have to arrange this numerator in this sequence for ascending order. So in ascending order, 5 by 11 is the first, 6 by 11, then 7 by 11, then 10 by 11, and then 12 by 11. In this way, we arrange the fractions in the ascending order and descending order also. Okay, let's do some question here. So our first question is convert 9 by 4 in the mixed fraction. So we have to convert this improper fraction into the mixed fraction. So हमें इस improper fraction को mixed fraction में convert करना है. So first write the fraction as it is, then divide numerator by the denominator. ओके सो सबसे फर्स्ट तो हमको फ्रैक्शन एज इट इज लिखना है, देन हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कोशेंट एंड रिमाइंडर. सो फॉर फाइंडिंग कोशेंट एंड रिमाइंडर वी डिवाइड न्यूमरेटर बाय द डिनोमिनेटर. सो 4 2 जा 8 सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे, सो वी विल गेट 1 एज अ रिमाइंडर. So this is quotient and this is remainder here. So write quotient is equal to 2 and remainder is equal to 1. So for converting or for changing 9 by 4 into the mixed fraction, first we write denominator as it is. Okay, denominator as it is हमें लिखना है. Then हमें यहाँ लिखना होता है quotient and integral part जो होता है that is the quotient. And here we write the remainder. Okay, so denominator as it is लिखना है, integral part जो है वो होता है quotient and remainder is at the numerator. So here write 4 as it is, quotient is 2 and remainder is 1. So this is the mixed fraction for this improper fraction. Let's convert this mixed fraction into the 2 1 by 4 को हमें कन्वर्ट करना है इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. सो व्हाट वी डू, क्या करेंगे हम? सो राइट द फ्रैक्शन एज इट इज, देन इंटीग्रल पार्ट इनटू डिनोमिनेटर प्लस न्यूमरेटर whole divided by denominator. Okay, I will write here formula also. Integral part into denominator plus numerator whole divided by denominator. So we have to write denominator as it is, then at the numerator we multiply integral with the denominator and add the numerator here. After solving this, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 upon 4. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 and divided by 4. So we will get the improper fraction. So in this question, we convert first improper fraction into mixed fraction and after mixed fraction into improper fraction. So in this way we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper fraction. इस वे से आप इसे इन दोनों को कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. मीन्स improper fraction से mixed fraction में और mixed fraction को improper fraction में. Let's move the second question. In this question, we compare 4 by 15 and 6 by 17. So for comparing the two fraction, we write fraction as it is and find the cross product. Find the cross product, that is 4 into 17 is equal to 68 and 15 15 into 6 is equal to 90. Those products are different. ओके ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंट है, सो हम नाउ वी इजीली compare this. So 68 is less than 90. So that's why 4 by 15 is less than 6 by 17. In this way we compare the two fraction having the different डिनोमिनेटर. अगर डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट है तो हम इस वे से उसे कंपेयर करेंगे. अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, इफ वी हैव द नंबर 4 by 15 and 6 by 15, so in that case अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम है सो ग्रेटर न्यूमरेटर इज द ग्रेटर फ्रैक्शन. सो यहां पे होगा 4 by 15 ग्रेटर देन 6 by सॉरी लेस देन 6 by 15. अगर न्यूमरेटर सेम है, अगर न्यूमरेटर सेम है okay, so in this case which fraction is greater? In this case which fraction is greater? The smaller denominator is the greater fraction. सो इन दिस केस इस टाइप के जहां पे डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट है एंड न्यूमरेटर सेम है, सो उसमें जो है जिसका डिनोमिनेटर स्मॉलर है वो फ्रैक्शन ग्रेटर रहेगा एज कंपेयर टू द अदर फ्रैक्शन. सो इन दिस वे वी कंपेयर द फ्रैक्शंस. So students, here are the some question related to the fraction. I hope you all understand all the terms in this lesson. Thank you.